The dawn of day 11 of the Kurukshetra war was unlike any before it. The battlefield strewn with remnants of shattered chariots and fallen warriors stood as a grim reminder of the price paid for victory. Bhishma, the revered elder of the Kuru clan, no longer led the Kaurava forces, and with his absence came a new wave of uncertainty. Yet, the Kauravas found hope in their new commander, Dronacharya, the unmatched master of warfare. His vow was clear to capture Yudhishthira alive, thereby forcing the Pandavas to surrender without further bloodshed. Across the battlefield, the Pandavas prepared to thwart this plan. They knew that if Yudhishthira were taken, all would be lost. As the war drums rolled and conch shells sounded, the warriors braced themselves for another day of destiny. Dronacharya's tactical might shone through as he arranged the Kaurava forces in Shakatyuha or guard formation. This defensive arrangement allowed him to centralize power while shielding his own position. The Pandavas responded with the Krauncha Vyuha or Heron formation, its sharp beak designed to pierce through enemy lines. At its forefront were Arjuna, Bhima, and Drishtadyumna, the Pandavas' most skilled warriors. As the sun climbed higher, the battlefield became a stage for heroism, sacrifice, and relentless fury. The battle began with a thunderous charge. Dronacharya led the Kaurava forces, unleashing a barrage of arrows that cut through the Pandava ranks. His attacks were methodical, his movements calculated, as he sought to weaken their defenses and isolate Yudhishthira. On the Pandava side, Bhima and Satyaki led the flanks, holding the formation steady. Arjuna roamed the battlefield freely, countering critical threats and neutralizing key Kaurava units. The sound of clashing weapons and roaring war cries filled the air. Elephants charged, their tusks goring enemies, while chariots collided in fiery explosions. The Kurukshetra battlefield was alive with chaos and destruction. Let us understand the key duels and heroic moments of the day. Dronacharya was a force of nature. His arrows rained down like a relentless storm, cutting down Pandava soldiers, elephants, and horses in droves. He advanced like an unstoppable tide, his eyes fixed on his target, Yudhishthira. No warrior dared to stand before him for long, and those who did were swiftly dispatched. Bhima was a whirlwind of destruction on the battlefield. With his mace in hand, he targeted Duryodhana's brothers, cutting them down one by one. On this day, seven of Duryodhana's brothers, Chitra, Upachitra, Charuchitra, Satyachitra, Chitraksha, Chitrayudha, and Drida were slain by Bhima. Each blow of his mace sent shockwaves through the Kaurava ranks, shaking their morale. Satyaki, the Yadava warrior and Arjuna's trusted ally, engaged Kritavarma in a fierce duel. The two exchanged volleys of arrows, their chariots waving through the chaos. Satyaki's precision and superior maneuvering forced Kritavarma to retreat, giving the Pandavas a much needed boost on the right flank. Arjuna, guided by Krishna, targeted the heart of Kaurava forces. His arrows were like lightning, striking down enemy warriors with unerring accuracy. He shattered chariots, slew elephants, and routed entire divisions. Krishna's tactical advice ensured that Arjuna remained a step ahead of the Kaurava strategy, neutralizing key threats before they could escalate. Karna, who had refrained from fighting under Bhishma's command, finally joined the fray. His presence electrified the Kaurava army. Reinvigorating their morale, he engaged Bhima in a brutal duel, their weapons clashing with ferocity. Though the fight ended without a clear victor, Karna's arrival shifted the psychological balance in favor of the Kauravas. The destined confrontation between Dronacharya and Drishtadyumna unfolded. Drona, with his years of experience and unmatched skill, dominated the encounter, forcing Drishtadyumna to retreat. However, the Pandava warriors quickly came to their commander's aid. Ghatotkacha, the Rakshasa son of Bhima, unleashed his supernatural powers. He created illusions to confuse the Kaurava soldiers, attacking from unexpected angles. His magical assaults left the Kaurava ranks in descent, buying the Pandavas precious time. Shikandi, emboldened by his role in Bhishma's downfall, focused on harassing senior Kaurava warriors. While he avoided direct confrontation with Drona, his relentless attacks disrupted the Kaurava formation, creating openings for the Pandavas. Abhimanyu, the young son of Arjuna, showcased extraordinary courage. Despite his youth, he held off multiple Kaurava warriors, his skill with the bow earning admiration from both sides. His actions inspired the Pandava troops to push harder. Duryodhana, seething with anger, attempted to reach Yudhishthira but was intercepted by Bhima. Their brief clash highlighted their bitter rivalry. Though Duryodhana was forced to withdraw, his frustration was evident. His plans repeatedly thwarted. As the day wore on, both sides adjusted their strategies. Drona realized that capturing Yudhishthira would be impossible as long as Arjuna protected him. He instructed the Samshaktakas warriors sworn to fight until death to lure Arjuna away from the main battlefield. Meanwhile, Krishna advised Yudhishthira to maintain a tight formation around their key warriors. Bhima and Satyaki were tasked with holding the flanks, while Arjuna moved to dismantle the Kaurava leadership. These adjustments allowed the Pandavas to hold their ground despite suffering heavy losses. As the sun set, the battlefield fell silent. The Pandavas and Kauravas retreated to their respective camps, exhausted and bloodied. The Pandavas celebrated small victories, such as Bhima's slaying of 7 of Kaurava brothers and Satyaki's successful defense. Yet, they mourned the loss of many brave warriors. In the Kaurava camp, frustration grew. Drona's brilliance and Karna's return had failed to deliver the described blow they had hoped for. Duryodhana's dreams of capturing Yudhishthira remained unrealized, and doubts began to creep into the minds of the Kaurava soldiers. The day had been long and grueling, but the war was far from over. What challenges would the next day bring? The battlefield of Kurukshetra held its secrets, and the warriors prepared to face another trial of destiny. The epic of the Mahabharata continues.